Hey Blitzers! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Blitzit with other apps using Make, so new items from those apps can automatically appear in Blitzit. So let's set it up. In Blitzit, click on the integrations icon in the top right and select Webhooks. From here, choose the lists you want to connect, then click Enable Webhooks on selected lists. Now open one of those lists and click the Webhooks icon in the top right. You'll see your webhook URL and the header with the sign-in secret. Here you can copy both of these. We'll use them inside Make. And just a quick note, every Blitzit list has its own unique webhook URL and sign-in secret. So if you're working with multiple lists, make sure you're not mixing them up. Alright, let's jump into Make. Click Create Scenario to start a new automation. In the middle of the screen, there is a plus button to add the first module. This will be your trigger. Search for the app you want to connect. For this tutorial, we'll use Linear. After selecting it, choose the trigger Watch Issue Created. This means the trigger will activate whenever a new issue is created in Linear. Now you'll need to set up a webhook connection. Click Create a webhook, give it any name you like, then connect your Linear account and grant access. Once it's done, click Save. With the trigger in place, click the plus button to the right of the Linear module to add the next step. Search for HTTP and select Make a request. This is what will send data to Blitzit. Now let's configure it. Set authentication to No Authentication, paste your Blitzit webhook URL into the URL field, set the method to POST. In the header section, add a header called xBlitzit secret, and paste your sign-in secret as a value. For the body, set the content type to application JSON and choose data structure as the input method. At this point, we need to define what kind of data we are sending. Let's create a new data structure. Click Add, give your structure a name, just anything works, and then in the specification section, start adding fields. Create the following items: Action, ID, Title. These are required, but we can also add optional ones like description and due date. You can leave all other settings as default. Once it's done, save the structure. Now comes the mapping. In the body content section, you'll connect these fields to data from Linear. Set action to create. Map ID to the issue ID. Map title to the title. Map description to the description. And map due date to the due date. If you want to go further, you can also include more optional fields like a URL or an estimate. The Guide tab inside your Blitzit Webhooks panel has a full list of supported fields. Once everything is mapped, click Save. Now let's test it. Click Run once. Make will start waiting for an event. Go into Linear and create a new issue. If everything is set up correctly, that issue will be sent to Blitzit and show up as a new task. If you see it appear, you are good to go. Just don't forget one last step. Go back to your scenarios list in Make and enable the scenario so it keeps running automatically in the background. From here, you can repeat the same setup with other apps. Linear is just an example. Back in Blitzit, you can manage everything from the integrations dashboard. You can view all connected lists, open any of them, or connect new ones. Inside each list, the webhook settings let you turn the integrations on or off, unlink it completely, check the Guide tab for payload fields, or look into the Errors tab if something isn't working. And one important note before we wrap up: this integration is currently one-way. It sends data into Blitzit, but not back out. Two-way syncing is something we are working on, and your feedback is welcome. Happy Blitzing!